Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how long do CPC ads take to start working? First, it's important to understand what CPC ads are and how they work. CPC stands for cost per click, which means you pay the platform a small fee every time someone clicks on one of your ads. The great thing about CPC ads is that they actually drive traffic to your website and generate leads instead of just giving you impressions. Generally speaking, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks for your CPC ads to start working. This is because it takes time to set up your ads, get them approved, and for them to be shown to a wide enough audience to start generating traffic. In addition to time, it's important to understand that the success of a CPC ad campaign depends on a lot of other factors. Some of these factors include the relevance of the ad itself, your targeting parameters, and the competitiveness of the market that you're advertising in. If your ad is relevant to your audience, well designed, and targeted correctly, it's more likely to generate traffic and leads. That said, even if you get all of those things absolutely right, it can still take time for your ads to generate traffic. That's why it's important to have someone managing your ads on a consistent schedule. We need to let enough data come in to get real information about how your ads are performing before we start tweaking and adjusting to improve that performance over time. Overall, while it does take some time for CPC ad campaigns to really kick off, they are a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website, and we highly recommend you look into them. If you'd like to learn more about CPC ads, book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, walk you through our process, and answer any of your burning questions. If that sounds impactful, book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.